I'm opening a box of rice, you know.
I thought you took out the first liquid already.
Did you know there are bags of rice inside a rice box?
But so much material is used just to pack a few grains. It makes no sense.
We love classic episodes, but today we're trying something new. Rice cooked in strange liquids.
You don't cook rice in bags.
We already cook it that way. Rice should boil in water for 12 minutes. We'll cook it for 12 minutes, timing precisely, maybe with a wristwatch, then pour something else over it.
If something boils over, we'll stop before 12 minutes.
I'll start, since we agreed on no alcohol this week after overdoing it last episode. Remember when we did the viewer call-ins with just 2 foods and alcohol?
But it wasn't us who overdid it, it was...
You. So I decided I'd go get some Piccolo Kiwi. Honestly, I'll tell you, the story of fake alcohol for kids, there's really something magical about it.
Imagine a kid's birthday. You grab some juice, Timbark, and the cap. Watch this.
Recently, shout out to my sister and brother-in-law, we spent the weekend at their place since I used to live in Wrocław. So in the evening, we took out some Prosecco, right? Just to go with a board game or something, and then, well...
Let me add that there was an occasion.
Yeah, I'll mention the occasion. When my kids ask about it, I just say it's champagne to avoid explaining. And my little one says, champagne is reserved for winners. And I say, wow, the kid really got me there. I say, you're 12, kid. As long as you live here, do the dishes. But he just hit me with that, you know?
I'm like, damn, I don't even have a story for this now.
Did you have a story?
Well, you said the whole family drinks champagne when they win at board games.
Oh, but that wasn't actually a win.
I bought expensive lemonade and wanted to show it off. A liter? It costs 11 zlotys, I think. But that's because here the juice and pulp content is 24%, and this was the highest content I found in the store. And here it says, produced in Spain, 5 squeezed lemons for this.
Let me have a sip. Let me have a sip. Oh, damn, what a pow. You fool.
Hold it, hold it.
Oh, no. Ouch, my thumb hurts.
You can do it.
I can do it, right?
You have to let go, like quietly farting in company, little by little.
Whoa.
It worked.
But I'll be honest with you, my thumb actually hurt. I held it, but...
I saw how here already. Almost, it was.
All right, 0.75.
Why 0.75?
And how much should I pour?
I don't know. Actually, I don't know why I asked. Actually, we can pour 0.8 each and try the rest ourselves.
But this is 0.75, so I can pour 0.8 and try it.
That's impossible.
Champagne is for winners. Losers like us just pour 0.7. No way. That's apple juice with sugar and lemon.
You're having lemonade for 11 zlotys.
I'll tell you, it's good. But really,
there isn't that much sugar.
It's still sweet. I'll just boil it to get ready. You pour in the 80. I've really set myself up here.
Oh no, let me say something. Marcin, do you know the difference between a Dwójniak and a Trójniak mead?
Do the bees go out to forage twice? They're let out and brought back into the hive twice.
Very good, Marcinku. A 3 for your effort.
Oh, okay, thank you. You were a good teacher. So what's this about?
Well, a Dwójniak is just a 1-to-1 ratio of water to honey, and a Trójniak is 3 to 1.
A Dwójniak is 1 to...
2 to 1, 2 to 1.
You explained it. I'll add 0.75 for mixing. Oh, damn. This is for something magnificent. But for what? But it's sweet and smooth.
It's beautiful here.
What a beautiful swirl.
I have something for athletes.
Oh, I see.
Ayran?
Me too.
Please.
Oh, God.
Delicious, isn't it? Yeah, I think so too.
Salty milk. I don't know what's so delicious about it. Sztaba. Salty pasteurized ordinary milk. I've never been a fan of it. I'd choose Polish kefir, buttermilk, and sour milk every time.
It's different. It just is.
But you know, your whole pot is definitely going to burn.
I know. You can add it now since it's bubbling.
All right, 12 minutes, just like he said. The manufacturer. Just like the manufacturer said.
The manufacturer mentioned water, but who cared?
All right, Sztaba, let it simmer. Oh, damn. Oh, damn.
In the eye or in the nose?
but I burned my nose inside.
Idiot. The issue wasn't the hot water, but that you inhaled it?
I inhaled that. It burned my brain. My nose feels burned. What an idiot.
The lemonade one will be the best, guaranteed. The one with piccolo will be sweet, but you'll taste the chemicals, and it rarely works with alcohol. However, mead, there's some hope, and my Ayran is actually starting to curdle a bit.
All right, that's it. We'll be back with you in about 7 minutes. Listen, it's been 15 minutes already. We extended it a bit, and now, according to the procedure, ooh, that's heavy, really substantial. But it's sticking together, just sugar.
All right, I thought it wouldn't be green.
You said it wouldn't be, and the remaining contents...
But that's poor.
We don't have much.
I don't have much.
But you stick it together with sugar. Hop. And a beaker.
But more, look.
All right, my turn. Here we have lemonade. From afar, it resembles sauerkraut. Wow, I still have so much left. Lemonade. Ayran, which I don't really believe in. Well, the look of mine isn't anything amazing, I admit. Damn, there's still so much Ayran here.
What a nice thick texture.
Like jelly.
Like jelly. You see, Kuba, that's density.
Don't pour along the sides or nothing will come out. It just sticks. Well, I wouldn't say that's piccolo. Sweet and sour at the same time, but in a 1-to-1 ratio. Perfectly balanced. There's just an even balance.
Jesus, it's silky, rice-like thick, and so slippery.
I don't know how it is cold, but when it's warm, it's fantastic.
I hope the rice will be just as delicious.
It's good, but it can't beat the drink. As if, it can't even come close to it.
No, that's not true. He's lying, it's delicious. Try it again, and think about it.
The drink is exceptional. The rice is just good.
What do you mean, just? It's delicious. The rice is even better than the drink. It has even more flavor. Besides, you can see that it's sour, it's sweet, it's slippery. It's delicious. It has everything. This is a complete dish. It should be in a restaurant.
Remember, these champagnes have a lot of different flavors. Yes, but it's not. Only the green one is best.
Because this one is outstanding, because it gives a nice color, it's sweet and sour, everything. First, let's rate the drink. 3, 2, 1. 9. 9. Rice.
8.
10. This is my rascal.
So, 9?
So, 9. This is my taste. This is my rascal. This is something that could be in a restaurant. This is delicious. Very good. Let's take the next drink.
Dwójniak.
A drink, right? Oh, wow.
Also thick.
Oh, wow. Honestly, the same. Thick, still thick. Smells worse. Musty.
Worse.
Musty.
It's not worth smelling. It just smells like fungus. Not sure why, but it smells like sweet dried mushrooms.
Oh, but it twists your face. Can you tell it's sweet? Not from sugar. It has an alcoholic sweetness and tastes like smoked plum.
It smells like dried mushrooms, yes.
No.
Where did the mushroom come from? But the good dried ones. It's like someone only picked porcini mushrooms and skipped all the others.
All right, give me the rice. Yeah.
This is sweeter than piccolo. Yeah.
It's already so sweet.
Ah, but you can't eat it like that, nah. It could be added to something unsweet.
Okay. To what? To mud. It's already twisting my face. Such sweetness. Interesting taste. Smoked plum sums it up, but it's too sweet for me. It soaked up all the honey, though it goes down. But it's addictive, isn't it? Yeah.
It's sweet and slightly crunchy.
Yeah, it's kind of like a challenge. It's a sweet fruit, the sweetest one.
Yeah, it tasted fruity, and the sweetness lingers kind of like... It waits to attack a second time.
All right. Assessment 3, 4.
8.
I gave it a 5. Since I wasn't sure how to rate it, I won't drink it again, but it wasn't bad.
I would drink it.
And rice for the food. 3, 4.
Well, 6.
I'm giving 3, but won't do this again.
It's delicious. Sweet, but just a bit too sweet. Something had to be added, and if something has to be added and it's not a dish that stands on its own, then it can't get a higher rating, you know?
Let's get on with it.
Drink.
Ah, wait, I need to rinse it. Oh.
Ayran. Come on, AJ, run.
Oh, fuck. It stinks so much. It's like something ran over a cow.
But you know what? It's still salty. I was afraid it wouldn't be salty anymore.
I'll pass.
It's like someone heated and salted an udder.
Krzysiek, that's exactly how we'll say it. Salted udders.
I don't have a rating?
It's still a bit sour.
No, it's lumpy, but it hasn't crossed that curdling threshold yet.
Give me that rice, but it's kind of...
At first, I thought it was that sweet rice kids eat, but it's actually salty, but not too salty.
It's like blending cooked rice with feta cheese.
Yes! Student-style rice with feta, the Greek way meaning no feta.
That might be a dish. I'm not sure if it's there.
But if you served it to someone and said it's with feta, they'd say, oh, nice, you blended the feta. And you say, ha, 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 there's none in there. Right.
Let's rate it. The drink. 3, 2, 1, wait.
The drink, 2, 6.
You're sick today. Show it.
No, damn. How? 6? Have you ever drunk warm milk, regular milk, the one from the carton, ultra high temperature from the carton, or warm buttermilk or something?
I'm 40 years old. I've never drunk it.
Tried warm milk drinks? Uh-huh. This one's better.
Water, salt, milk, not curdled. A 6. Taste matters, curdled or not. Rice. 3, 4, 7. 7, really?
But this is 8. Like, it would be more embarrassing to give more.
Keep that in mind. Rice with crumbled feta and like on the cheap. If you ate this at someone's place and I mentioned it, you'd assume he put in effort and crumbled it himself. But
You just have to add that, yeah.
yeah, now here's some olives, sun-dried tomato, and you've got it Greek-style Greek rice. Rinse the glass and let's continue. Thick, like kubush, that's nice. Oh. It boosted what was there by 10 times.
Condensate, water, evaporated. And the lemon didn't want to share the fate of the water.
But you can smell it. It's like those shots from Żabka, the ones that cost like 5 zlotys.
You can't drink over 100 milliliters of this.
And it's like,
But you feel the health. Warm health.
it's nice, but when you drink it, you make a face, a grimace.
Like vodka, you drink, make a face, and keep going.
And I like that. Nice. It's basically compressed lemon.
But I don't think so here.
Oh, interesting.
I don't think so. Something feels off. Like the other was too sweet. This one's too sour.
This is really sour, but I like it. You eat it like you drink it.
Some people eat grapefruits because they like sour foods. Well, you can't hate on it because it's not sour in the way that like an orange peel would be here. That white part, that kind of membrane, right?
But go ahead and try it.
Damn, no. Just a better syrup, right? Because this one is kind of crappy.
But this is a hit.
Jam preserves, yes. Everything that's sweet and not artificial. It's great.
Now drink 3, 2, 1.
7.
8. Yes, this is very good.
They're all like this. Me.
It's not that we don't have other ratings, just do it, yes. Do it because it's not bad. Rice. For now, I'm rating the rice by itself. Just as it is. 6. 6, 6 because it's too sour. With raspberry with jam.
The other way around?
9, yeah. Great episode. I love these experiments. Only this one didn't work for me, but it could have been something.
This is sweet.
Everything. It could have been something, Starbar. Starbar would have worked.
Yeah.
That would have worked with cream. That with this.
It worked with cream?
Yeah, it goes down by itself.
Well, that's even better, damn.
That's awesome. That's awesome. Krzysztof. This is your tool for today and the product we paired with the rice.
I love it. It's always the star at my place on New Year's Eve. Really?
Those parties are wild. Cheers.
But there's strawberry in here somewhere.
Oh, damn, we won't be judging today. No? If you can handle the strawberry, there's no way.
No, okay. I think this is some kind of multivitamin.
Look at this.
How? Something, it's kiwi. You see that?
So thick. You're still the same, right? The smell is a bit worse. Delicious. This kiwi tastes like ground up fruit, not for me.
That's because there's only 1% kiwi in it.
Hey, okay, it's tasty. Really sweet, though.
Yes.
Worse and green. It looks really nice.
But the kids would like a dessert like that.
Yes, definitely kids in general like to eat things that are unnaturally colored.
Oh, Jesus. Sweet, delicious rice.
Honestly, if he made rice like that, I don't know if the kids would get a chance to eat it.
All right. Even though this is chemistry, a hurricane, I'm giving it a solid, well...
Yeah.
No, actually, I'm still worried about it, but it's a 9. Because I wouldn't want to, but 9.
People know what's up. I'm giving you this much since you don't drink much, so you can finish it.
But I don't even know what this is.
But how is it gonna go?
This is the first time I've seen something like this.
No, come on, that's just...
This is that soy sauce for sushi.
Is this mead?
Sorry, but there is no such option. But it's healthy, right? Then try it.
What? Under it.
This,
This is bubbling.
I'll tell you, it's a tragedy. I'll tell you this. This mead is turning into something undrinkable. And it's crystallizing, very sharp and sweet. It's too sweet. You can't. Actually, it's better than the first consistency, but still undrinkable. Well, okay, now it's just rice. I don't know if the moonshine doesn't let the rice cook properly, but it's like popping rice, but nothing special. So I'll be here. I have to, just like my face and my emotions show. For me, it's unfortunately a 4.
If you watch that show X Factor, they had it pretty tough here.
Challenges.
That's how Kujiku reacts when eating rice. Just like they did when they were covered with bugs or snakes.
Sweet rice.
Say in English that you run.
Cat, and do I run?
Say in English that you run.
Did you drink?
Run?
But you wouldn't say that to someone like that, right? I run.
Oh, I ran.
That's in general. Oh, please.
I love it. There's a hint of salt, but a different kind of salt. I'm afraid of this one. I'll be honest.
It's still Ayran. It's just put on a little weight. Thick, listen.
This is curdled.
Curdled.
This is curdled. Buttermilk. This is milk curdled. In other words, it's in the process of going bad. Yes.
But it's still missing a little. Still missing a bit, but he likes it.
I think this rice might be another surprise. It's like filling for dumplings, the kind with cheese. That's what I think. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Go ahead. There's not enough sugar here, but
What without it?
this rice is so savory. Exactly. I meant to say it's so serious.
A bit snobbish.
In the rich league, he plays tennis, but I'd charm him with a woman at his side. Sweeten it up a little here and it would be perfect. For me, that's a 7.
And the drinks?
Drinks? No, not the drinks. 5, all of it. I don't know this.
Because it's healthy. We won't pour it out.
Not this, actually.
It's on different shelves than other drinks.
It's not healthy. Not og. Good. I wonder what it would be like when it's hot.
Yeah, but not hot. It's kind of...
Hey, why does it smell like jelly?
Maybe because everything is made with rice.
That's what causes the jelly. Not bad. But it gave me a boost.
I have jelly in my pants from the rice.
Delicious, delicious. That lemon has taken on a normal shape. I mean a real one. It's stronger, like 2 times reinforced, but still a bit milder. This is a great product.
Then give me the rice.
An 8, solid.
First, try not to take the red one.
A squashed Haribo gummy, but not soft. But soft, good.
Damn, good. And now this.
I know. I know this. You add it to beer.
Raspberry syrup.
It's delicious, but it has to.
Be syrup, right?
There's no need to mess around in the dance.
You have to drown it like a worm.
It has to be.
Seriously, for me, that's a leg.
This one is already fully developed.
That's just the recipe. It doesn't have to be that way.
Complete.
Now, a better, thicker syrup, more of it. From strawberries or anything?
But syrup.
But in this lemon cooked in sweet syrup,
And sweet syrup?
then it dies, ruining the point.
Yeah, just sweet syrup.
Are we shouting for that low bubble? Low bubble? Yeah, rice, right?
Well, I don't know. That green one too now.
Well, the green one too, I'm saying 9, but
You don't add anything to it? Fuck! And how would you add something else?
Let me tell you something better. Take this to wobble, right? But wait, take this first. Are we going to swap something? Not much, right? Take this one. We didn't add anything. It's the same, just more balanced. More delicate.
10, 9.5. Here! We'll take jasmine rice. That'll be 10.
All right, that's also wobble. All right, Krzysztof.
worth repeating, delicious.
Damn too, Ms. Sebastian. These old-style episodes are always surprising.
Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. You know, it's what keeps us going. We eat all this for you, and bye, I'm off.
Say comments too.
Comment as well. Write a comment about which one you would try. For me, this is my winner from today's top picks. And you? I mean, what about you?